Hey guys, I'm Carlos.
And I'm Dominique.
And welcome back to Two Modern Vegans.
We are so excited for all of our subscribers. We're finally about to make it to the 1K mark. And in honor of that, we're doing In
honor of us reaching 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a small little thank you box to one lucky person. This box will include some of our favorite things that we like that are vegan, of course. And in order to participate in this contest, all you have to do is like, be subscribed to us, and also comment below in this video. Okay? And then once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will contact the lucky winner in one of our next videos, and we'll make that announcement, and then we'll go about contacting you, so this way we can send that to you.
You have to comment on this video. And also, as Carlos said, you have to like it and you have to be subscribed to us. And also, you have to be following us on social media. So that includes Instagram, Facebook.
Also, if you're not subscribed yet, just please take a second to like and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that we release a new video.
All right, so let's get into this video. Today we are making cookies. These cookies are so good, you guys. We're making a lemon sesame poppy seed cookie. We're gonna be making those cookies and they're really, really good. It's really quick to make. Simple ingredients, everything that you pretty much have in your home already. You probably don't have the poppy seeds or the sesame seeds, but yeah, it's really, really simple and it's quick.
All right, guys, let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you're gonna need.
Alright guys, so in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to put 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 heaping teaspoon of the lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. You're going to want to mix that all together until it's well incorporated, and then we're going to put that to the side. In a large bowl, we're going to put the 3/4 cup of vegan butter and 1 cup of cane sugar. And you're going to want to cream that together until it looks something like this. Next, we're going to add in 3 of our eggs from our egg replacer, and you're going to cream that together again. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of lemon extract. And it basically should look something like this. You're going to combine the two, and you're not going to want to over mix it, but you want to mix it until it looks something like this. You shouldn't see any of the flour. And this is it. You're going to preheat your oven to 300 and you're going to bake these cookies for 20 minutes. And we used a silicone baking sheet, but you can also use parchment paper. And that's about it, you guys. These are our cookies, and we hope that you guys enjoy it as much as we do.
Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. We hope that you guys enjoy the cookies also. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video if you aren't already, or if you haven't liked it already. Don't forget to also comment. Let us know how you like the cookies. Alright?
Don't forget to enter in our contest. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Please share this video to all your family and friends. Guys, we'll see you until next time. Bye.
Bye.